Hey everybody, I'm Archie. I'm a Teen Services Librarian at Durham County Library, and I'm here to bring you another segment of Totally Teen Time, and today we're going to make mummy hot dogs, which is very easy to do. So all you need is a package of hot dogs, or if you prefer turkey dogs or vegan dogs, whatever you like, and some crescent rolls, and a baking sheet in an oven, and some mustard. And you are going to preheat the oven to 375. And then you're going to take your crescent rolls and just flatten them out. You're not going to roll them up. You're going to flatten them out and put them on a cutting board. So I've got several pieces of dough here, and I'm going to just cut them into strips. And they can be fairly thin strips so that you can stretch them. And I'm going to take my hot dog, and I'm going to get a strip, and my oven is ready. And I'm going to wrap the dough around the hot dog so that it looks like a mummy strip. And I'm going to leave kind of a section at the top because we're going to make a face there. And so what I'm going to do is take the hot dog, put it on my baking sheet, and cook it for 15 minutes in a 375-degree oven. So before I started this recording, I went ahead and cooked some so it would be ready to show you the finished product. So, take these out, and you can see them all ready to go. Now, before you put mustard on them, or if you had ketchup, you could also put ketchup on them if you wanted to make like a bloody mummy hot dog. But I don't have ketchup, so we're just going to put mustard eyeballs on these. Now, I've let some of them cool because I wanted to show you how to do the mustard eyeballs. And I'm going to pick this one up. And you can see this is the finished product. And I'm going to take the mustard and put some eyeballs on here. And sometimes the way I've done this is I pour the mustard out first and then get a toothpick so that I have a little bit more control over the amount of mustard. But you can see I made him some eyeballs. And like I said, if you had ketchup, you could put ketchup down his front. You could also make buttons and stuff if you wanted to with the mustard. You know, it's all up to you. And that is it. And then when you're ready, you can eat them, and they're delicious. And so that's a fun, quick thing to do for the holiday. And I hope you enjoy them. And we'll be back for another time of Totally Teen Time. Take care. Bye-bye.